Hey everybody. Well, it's been a while since I made a video, and now I am fully returning to YouTube. Unfortunately, I was in a terrible semi-truck accident, and now I'm back. So, it's gonna be a long journey getting back to where I was, but overall, it's time I start making some videos. So I missed about 2 months on my KDP updates, so I'm going to do a quick update on my last month. So for April, I did absolutely horrible with Amazon KDP. So things have changed drastically. I was doing so amazing, but now things have gone south. So let's take a quick look. So for April 1st to April 30th, I made $4.67. So that is not good. So you'll see here, sold a book here, book there, so 2 books, 4, 6, 7. 7 books were sold in April. So that's a significant drop from where I was at previously. So let's overall, I'm still grateful that I'm still earning a little bit of money, but I kind of had high hopes. So let's take a look at the previous month before that. So March 1st to March 31st, I only made $2.16, which is a massive drop from where I was. So, it's up. It's good to be up a little bit. I'm hoping next month it will be more, but I'm not holding my breath. So let's take a look at where I was at before. So before February 1st to February 28th, I made $38.33. That is a huge drop off. Insane amount. I'm not selling as many books. I was selling 20 books or yeah, 20 books a month previously, or 20 plus books a month, and it just dropped off. And I know recently Amazon made some changes. They're essentially making it harder for kind of low content books because so many people are doing it. I'm kind of to the point where I'm not sure I want to keep doing Amazon KDP. I'm gonna try and create a few new books, but overall, I might have to drop it. I'm not too sure. It's just a changed game. They changed the ISBNs and they don't give you the previews anymore. So I think a lot of people are gonna have a lot less sales, which will overall I think cause a lot of people to drop out, which I think that is their goal because there's so many people creating just kind of similar content, low content books. But overall, it's nice to make $4. Hopefully next month I at least make $4. I'm hoping we make a little something. But overall, I'll keep you updated and I'm gonna give you a video in a few days on May's KDP updates. So thanks for watching.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.